मैं आज जो मेरा आउटफिट है मोनिका ने डिज़ाइन किया है, जेड का मैंने पहना है आउटफिट। इट्स
ओके आपके आउटफिट के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
तो आज मैं मोनिका ने डिज़ाइन किया है मेरा आउटफिट एंड इट्स एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, इट्स वेरी फेस्टिव, इट्स यंग, इट्स फ्रेश एंड आई फील ब्यूटीफुल इन इट्स ऑल थैंक्स टू हर।
ओके नीति, क्या क्या तैयारी करनी पड़ी आपको वॉक के पहले, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
मैंने अच्छे से सोई हूँ आज, मैंने अलार्म सेट किया था बट मैं उठी नहीं वर्कआउट के लिए, बट आई थिंक आई एम हैप्पी आई गॉट माई स्लीप। तो बस वो, और जनरली आई वर्कआउट क्वाइट अ बिट एवरी डे, तो आई थिंक इट एवरी डे का लाइफस्टाइल है। स्पेशली शो के लिए कोई तैयारी नहीं, बस फिटिंग्स किया हमने एंड इट फिट मी परफेक्टली।
फैशन की बात की तो आपकी नज़र फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
फैशन की डेफिनेशन है जब आपके दिमाग में आपको लगता है कि ये मुझ पे अच्छा लग रहा है ना, वो अच्छा लगता है। आप कितना भी अच्छा डिज़ाइनर आउटफिट पहन लो, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं ये नहीं जम रहा है तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। तो आई थिंक जो आपके दिमाग में आपके ऊपर सूट होता है, आपकी बॉडी पे, स्किन पे, दैट्स जस्ट द बेस्ट।
आफ्टर मुंडा माइकल,
व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट? वेट फॉर 5 days, 6 days, you'll know very soon. Thank you so much.
That is started by me, Bhavna Pandey, my business partner and very close friend Dolly Sidwani and Nandita Maidani, who unfortunately couldn't make it today. It's a fun, fashionable, high street, very trendy, fast fashion brand, which a girl of today, a young girl, can easily wear. It's affordable, it's very, very affordable, it's very wearable. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to college, you can wear it, dress it up and wear it to a party as well. And what we've done is we've tried to keep the style simple but fun and trendy at the same time, and kept it very, very affordable. So everyone who's aspiring to wear it can actually buy it. Yeah. Yeah, so Dolly will give you a little bit.
So we have various collections. It's our autumn winter 17 collection that you just saw right now. It has a lot of holiday in it, a lot of pop of color, whites, and Color Me Cadet, which has a lot of army jackets with slogans and embroideries, and so it's a really cool and young and trendy collection. I love what she's wearing. It's a part of our party collection, and it's just fun, easy, and at really affordable prices.
We keep saying that.
Yeah. And also I'd like to add, our collection is all made in India with a lot of love, and everything about the brand is Indian, right from design to execution. It's all in, we are a Make in India brand. Yeah.
Why have you chosen Nidhi as a showstopper?
You can see why we've chosen Nidhi as a showstopper. She's looking absolutely stunning in Love Gen, and I think she is perfect for our brand. And it's not about how she's looking, that of course we can see, but it's for the woman of today who is independent, who's bright, and who is forward and modern in every way. And I think Nidhi just fits the bill perfectly.
What are your views about season 5 IVF?
I think it's been a great experience. Love Gen is participating for the first time. We've had our other brand, Noble Fate, take part a few years back, but with Love Gen, this was our first experience, and it's been fantastic both the times. Yeah.
Tell us something about your next venture.
Our next venture, this venture keeps us so busy.
So our next venture is Spring Summer 18. Look forward to the collection. It's
that
going to be
we
really
went to.
cool. That's all I can say for now. Yeah.
And can I just add? So we're in 24 stores already all over India at Shopper Stop and at lovegen.com. But but we hope to be in many, many more stores all over India and hopefully all over the world too. Yeah.
Nidhi,
Yeah.
give us some insights about what were your views on the collection and how did you find the collection?
So this collection is really light. It's a lot of fun. It's young, it's fun, it's cool, it's breezy, just like where we are. And it's super affordable, which I love. And I think every young girl does. And it's made in India. It represents girl power. So I think I'm here to support it. And I absolutely love what I'm wearing. What I wore the last time. So I'm going to be wearing a lot more of Love Gen now. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, कैसे हो आप लोग? It's been a while now since I've come out. Yeah, जी. I'm wearing Arushi Abin style by Anisha and Rochelle, and I think the first time that I actually feel ready. So that feels nice. Yeah. Style-wise, I think internationally Blake Lively, I like her a lot. India mein I like Deepika a lot. I like Alia a lot. I think unka style is very relaxed, and I like that. Yeah. Hi. Yes, I have. So I've signed with Kriyash. I made that announcement sometime back, and yeah, I'll announce which film it is soon. अभी तो मैं सव्यासाची पे काम कर रही हूँ. So yeah, that's about it. New Year's. I hope I'm working. So hopefully I'm working. Let's see. I don't know as yet. I want the Best Debut Award this 2 years. Thank you.
दीदी जी यहाँ पे दीदी मैम राइट नीति ये सेंटर दीदी मैम दीदी ये कौन है मैम राइट विजुअल है वहाँ पे
एक सेकंड
वाइड हो गई थैंक यू
आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर बिकॉज मैं नाइकी के लिए आई हूँ जो कि मेरा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट ब्रांड्स है एंड आजकल हम सब एथलीजियर में रहते हैं हमेशा स्पोर्ट शूज़ जिम लुक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट तो या आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर वी आर गोइंग टू 4 क्लब्स पब्स एक बार क्रॉल है तो इट बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन ज़्यादा नहीं ऑनेस्टली नहीं मैं पहले एक्चुअली बैंगलोर में काफ़ी करती थी क्योंकि यंग एज से मुझे इतने कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं थे लेकिन जैसे करियर मेरा थोड़ा सीरियस हुआ है अकेली रहने लगी हूँ तब से बाहर नहीं जाती तो उल्टा है मेरा यहाँ पे सिस्टम थोड़ा सा
Okay, so at what time you love to wear Nike?
ऑलवेज एंड प्लस टुडे द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल थिंग इज़ वेयरिंग स्पोर्ट शूज़ एंड गोइंग आउट तो आज तो रीज़न है पहनने का सो दैट्स अमेजिंग या बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्योंकि आजकल and it's been amazing. It's been so much fun. I'm actually finally sweating now, as you all can see. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I genuinely really love their clothes. So I finally found amazing gym wear that I can wear every day. I love going to the gym. Fitness is a really important part of my life, not just for my body, but because of my mind. You feel very good when you exercise, and dancing is also a huge part of my life. आज के एक्सरसाइज में टफ क्या था टफ वो जंपिंग वाला वो थोड़ा हाई था तो दैट वाज अ बिट टफ या या बास्केटबॉल इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. मैंने ऐसा ड्रिल कभी नहीं किया है पहले. So it was a lot of fun. I didn't expect to have so much fun at like a brand launch, but it's been too much fun. This was very different. Yeah. जी. I think it's very unfortunate. Nature जब decide करती है something like you can't control that. There's no immediate solution. But I think we all should contribute in our own way. थोड़ा सा जितना भी कर सकते हैं, which I have done as well. But jitna bhi, how much ever you can contribute, just contribute a little bit. And yeah, I guess just pray for Kerala. And it could have been any place, you know, it just happens to be Kerala. So it's really sad, yeah. Ji. Just congratulations, she's killing it. She's like a global star and I have so much of respect for her. I'm a Priyanka Chopra fan and I really respect her for where she's gotten to all on her own and it's just amazing, yeah. Ki brothers protect your sisters, sisters protect your brothers. I don't have a brother, I have a sister, but we'll still celebrate Raksha Bandhan, hai na? Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
सव्यसाची भी आ रही है आपकी।
Oh. तो आई एम शूटिंग फॉर 2 फिल्म्स राइट नाउ। एक है सव्यसाची चैतन्या के साथ में और एक दूसरी फिल्म उनके भाई के साथ में, अखिल के साथ में, डायरेक्टेड बाय वेंकी। एंड इट्स अमेजिंग, दोनों कैरेक्टर्स बहुत डिफरेंट है और रिलीज़ भी दोनों का ईयर एंड में होगा, तो आई हैव टू बैक फिल्म्स रिलीजिंग। Amazing. He's just amazing to work with. So positive, so motivating, and I don't want the shoot to get over because I'm loving working on that set. Yeah. Release date is 2nd of November. Trailer I don't know कब आएगा, but I hope soon. मुझे भी देखना है, तो I hope soon. Yeah. Thank you so much. What? I am
India